question for you. I made this corn, but it's really bland. I don't know what I should put in it. What do you think?
Mayo?
Mayo? That sounds normal. Let's try it. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Tummy Time. We excited? I am, because we're making corn with mayo. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Surprisingly, it is. We're going to be making Mexican street corn. If you've never had it, you're really missing out on life. And yeah, what you saw was accurate. It is corn with mayo and some other ingredients. Cool thing is it's very easy to make. It really makes corn a million times better. You could, do your normal corn with salt, pepper, whatever. But hey, why not make it 1,000 times better than just better, right? I guess. I don't know. So first thing you're going to need for this recipe is corn. That's right, if you could imagine that. I'm going to be using this corn. This is Bird's Eye. It's the only brand of corn I use. I'm actually just kidding. We got this, we got this at Costco? I don't remember. Yeah, something like that. Massive bag, we use it for everything, and it's just frozen corn. Now, you can, if you'd like, use corn on the cob. I just think that cooking it with the frozen corn is a lot easier. It's easier to mix. Corn on the cob, it's on the cob. You could grill it and do whatever, but this one's a little bit better and easier, like I said. Now, you can do this recipe in your kitchen. If you have a pan, that's fine. It's very easy to do it that way. But we're going to throw this on the flat top to cook it and char it up, and then we're going to come back in and mix in all the rest of the ingredients. So let's go outside to the flat top and get started. Figures as soon as I come outside, there's a siren or something. Oh, it stopped. Nope, it's going again. Anyway, so we're out on the flat top here. What we're going to do is we're going to throw our corn on, and we're just going to let it get to a nice charred brown color. We don't want to really do much outside. It's just literally throwing it on. So we have all zones on high. I'm going to use right here probably, and we'll throw it down. So we're putting down some veggie oil. It's a touch. Get it all nice and lubricated. And I have a small bowl of corn here. This is probably about, for a normal person, 4 servings maybe. But we have, I don't know, maybe it's like 2 cups. I don't know. We want leftovers, so. Now that's down, we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, because we have to. And we're just going to give this a nice stir. And like I said, it's frozen corn, so it's on high. We want it to get to a nice golden color, I guess. I'm just going to spread it out and let it do its thing, because I'm going to throw some other stuff on over here. But we're just focused on the corn right now. We're just going to let that do its thing, stirring occasionally, because we don't want to burn it at all. Corn's very easy to burn. So we'll come back and stir that in a few minutes. As you can see over here, we have a little bit of meat cooking up. That's our carne asada. If you haven't checked out that video, please do so. I'll put a link in. But we have the corn's been cooking. And you can see it's getting, well, that worked. You can see it's getting pretty brown. And we really want to brown it on all sides. So we're just stirring it up, making sure it doesn't burn. It's completely thawed, I can tell you that. Continuing to spread it out for maximum surface area. And I'm just patting it down. I want all the edges of the corn to be on there and getting all that delicious flat toppy flavor. So I've stirred it maybe twice now. I'm just trying to leave it alone because I want it to do its thing and cook. So give that a few more minutes and it should be all set. All right, it's been a few minutes. Corn's looking pretty brown. I think it's about ready to be Taken off. I'm an idiot. This meat is smelling really good too. Like I said, if you haven't checked out that video, you might want to do that. It's really good. Yeah, corn's about done. So, I got this bowl, and we're just gonna slap her in there. A little bit at a time, because usually I have some assistance from my camera woman. Can't multitask. So, just trying to get as much as I can in the bowl without dropping it all over the floor. Ground, whatever. Nothing goes to waste. I don't know. So we're going to bring this in the house, let it sit. And as you can see, you saw the amount I had before. This really has died down a bit. I think it was about up to here. It was really thawed out, and this might be actually enough for 2 servings. I don't know. We'll see. So, let's bring it in the house, let it sit, and we'll get to mixing the ingredients shortly. All right, so the corn is a little bit cooled now. If we just taste it now. Oh, it's a little bit soggy because it was frozen, but it's not bad. So, what we're going to do is we're going to add our special ingredients. First one being mayo. Just, I know this is weird, just go along with it. It's going to be good. That was hot. We're going to give it a stir just to see what it looks like. The other thing I'm going to add in, and you can, there's some debate on whether it should be equal parts or not, but we have our sour cream. Ugh. Add that in. Depending on how much you make, I like to do a little bit of heaviness, if you will. It's good. Touch more mayo. All right. Gonna be mixing it plenty. So you have your typical, ingredients that you use for Mexican dishes. I'm gonna start with the chili powder. I'm gonna add a good amount of that. About a teaspoon maybe. Add some cumin, just a touch of cumin. And then we like ours a little bit spicy. For those of you that don't add too much cayenne. This is what that is, cayenne. And that's basically your spice mix. Like I said, very simple. Weird. Lime juice. Add a little touch of that. Not too much. We don't want a lime corn. That's gross.
Sit down.
Can I help you?
Is it done?
Why are you so impatient? Every single freaking time. It's not done. I'm almost done.
It looks really good.
Coming from... What's your opinion of mayo? People that haven't seen our other videos where you despise mayo.
It's disgusting.
It is disgusting.
Smells
I love
disgusting.
mayo. She hates it. I try mayo in a video I'll post here.
Are you done?
No, I'm not done. God damn.
Where's your portion?
Cilantro. Shut up. Go away. Last but not least, cilantro. Optional. I love cilantro. I'm just gonna... One more mix, and we should be good. I don't think I forgot anything. Did I forget anything? No?
Did you put pepper in it?
I did. You know what? Let's actually add some pepper. Because I did do that on the flat top, but...
That's good. That's good.
So, finished product. That's what it looks like. I know that doesn't look... Oh, shit. I almost forgot. Parmesan cheese that you didn't take out of the fridge. Oh, my God. So, you're supposed to use... what is it? I don't know how you pronounce it. Cotija cheese or queso fresco. Those will work. I've never... I don't know. I just don't feel like getting specialty cheese ever because I don't use it. So we just use a little bit of Parmesan. Now, That is your finished product. I know it looks exactly the same, but there's cheese crumbles in it now. So there you go. All right, try it.
So good.
I'm telling you guys, this is the weirdest thing. I don't know why it works, but everything just mends together. The Mexican spice of the cumin and the cayenne and the chili powder, whatever. The mayo. It's so weird, but it works so well. I think the one thing I would say is I let it rest a little too long because we were outside doing other things. I wish it was a little bit warmer. We can put it in the microwave. That's not weird at all. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
No, this is my portion, I said.
No, go away. All right, everyone. That's another episode of Tubby Time. If you liked what you saw today, please like, subscribe, comment. Tell us how to make our channel better. What? Better? Yeah, better. There we go. Subscribe.
And
Gross.
remember, we wing the recipes so you don't have to.
That's right. Thank you for reminding me. Goodbye, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.